Hi guys, welcome back in this Laravel 5.8 video tutorial, and in this video we are going to learn about the Laravel sessions. So as you know that Laravel session is a very important part of any programming language, and it will provide some great functionality like the authenticate the systems and log in the system and much more. Okay, so within this video we are going to learn about the sessions, and it will go to the three steps in this video. First is submit the request from the HTML form, then we will set the routers, and then after the router we will set and get and play with the session. Okay, so we will put some conditions, the session data and all these things. Okay, so guys, in last video I just told about how we can create the HTML form, and if you don't know how we can create that, then you can watch our previous video. Link is also given in the description box. But in this video I'm going to use the already made my HTML form to save the time. Okay, so just close this and just close this also. So this is my route file basically. So this is placed in the router folder, and the welcome page as you are seeing here. Okay, so this is my first file, and we are going to set all the request or routers here. Okay, and the second thing is my login.blade.php, and here my already form is HTML form is created here. Okay, so it will tell that here is the action, here is the post and the fields and all these things. Okay, and my third screen is about the controller. So this is the controller where we are going to write the code of session. Okay, all right, so by default our welcome.php page is opened here. Just you want to see that, you can see that we are just capturing this data here. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you that this is HTML form, and we setting the CSRF token, name and the password. Okay, so now I'm going to set the routes for it. Okay, so for this we want to access this. For that just I'm going to simply put it here login, because this is the view here, and view is login.blade.php. so we have to just mention here login, and it will going to render here. This is the home path. Okay, as you can see that. Okay, so I'm going to set the second router, which is for the controller. So let's say when we are going on the login form, then it should be the post request, so that I'm going to put here post. Nice. And in the second request what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put here my controller name YouTube @index. This is my function name, as you can see here. Nice. Okay, so let's put it here. Nice. So now I want to submit this form. As you see that the action of login is here, and this will going to hit this path, and on this path we are going to open the YouTube @index.com. okay, this file one, this one file. Okay, so just you can see that. So I'm going to put here name like Anil, and password is 123. Okay, just hit the enter, and you will see that we got the request here, where inside the index function. Okay, so let's say I just want to put the name, then okay, there's a user, then you can see the user one. Okay, nice. So we are reached here. Now how we can print the how we can use the sessions. For that, just write here $request session, and with the session just you have to use the put function, and with the put function you have to put the two keys, one for the the key that you want to assign, and second for the data. Nice. So let's say my key name is user data. Okay, so I can just take the data here, and you can just copy it here and paste it here. Okay, so I can directly pass this data as a second parameter here, $data. So what it will going to do when we are going to do, it will store the this data, I mean the user's data, inside the user data session. And if we want to get it, then how we can get this? Okay, so let's say we are just get this. So if you want to just print this, then you can just use print r dollar. You can just take it as a whole, dollar get, and the key name, my key name is the user data. Nice. Now let's see. Okay, so put is not a function, so let me check. Okay, that's my bad. We have to like use a session like this. Now you can see that we got the Anil here. Okay, so if I just remove this, then it will store the full request, and you will see that after the Anil we get the this one array. Okay, so if I'm just we can just remove this one and the both line also, then you will also able to see this one also, expect Anil. Nice. That means the session is stored here. Okay, so let's say if you want to update this is very simple. Then you can just go here and you can put like Anil with the like Bruce, and the password is 123456, and the session is updated yet. Okay, this is not updated yet. We have to check that what's the issue here. Okay, because we did not refresh this one, so let's just check out then this one and this one. So let's say just I'm going to update the key like data, and put the data here. Okay, so now just checked it, then you will see that we got the new user. So just try once again, Bruce and hello 123, then you will see that we got the updated data here also. Nice. So how can I put the condition with that? Okay, so for that just I want to collect this data in a variable like $output. Okay, let's save it here. So let's say if $output and user equal to Bruce, then you can print like echo. Okay, so first of all just check this one. Okay, so echo session is here, else you can simply put here no session is here. Nice. So now let's check this one. Then now you can see that the session is here. That means we have the session. Okay, so if you want to print this, then you can also print here. Okay, so just print it here. Let's say you want to print the username which is you just stored. That's let's say user. Then how we can put it? Then you can see that we got the Bruce here. Okay, so just I will put here like Hulk with the password 1. Okay, just refresh this. 123. Then let's see. Then you will see that we got the Hulk here. Nice. Okay, so just if you want to put the condition on like this, like equal to Anil. Okay, then we have to view return here return view welcome.blade.php. okay, else it will return login.blade.php. nice. Okay, so now just refresh this. First time it will tell going on the login page. Okay, so now because last time we put the Bruce here, now just put the Anil with the password 123 password that you want to put, then you can got this, because this time you send the username as a Anil. okay, so if I just put something here like Sidhu, then it will come back here with this route. nice. Okay, so one more thing, if you are thinking that how we get the user in the output, then I want to tell you that if you just going to print this and return, just comment that all code, then you will see the three fields. One is the token, which is coming from this one because this is required for Laravel, and this is the user, which is coming from here, and the password, this is the blank, and this is from coming here. okay, so that's why we are able to see the whole stuff here. okay, so just relocate, then you can see that we got the Anil Sidhu with the Anil page, because condition is not satisfied. If I put the Anil, it will show you. okay, so thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. In next video we are going to learn how we can use a flash data in the Laravel and lots of things. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, please like this video. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this.